During the bardo of dying, when the four elements dissolve, there will be the illusory experiences of rising and falling, shaking, and haziness, and the dissolution of earth, water, fire, wind, and space. The sense faculties, too, will cease to function. At that time, remind yourself, now I am dying, but there is no need to fear. Examine, what is death? Who is dying? Where does dying take place? Death is merely the return of borrowed elements. In the face of rigpa itself, there is no birth or death. Within the very form of the dharmakaya of primordial purity, the union of rigpa and emptiness, examine. What is death? Who is dying? Where does dying take place? As dying exists nowhere, it is absolutely unreal. In the experience of this, generate courage and confidence. The arising of rigpa is not obstructed in any way. Earth, water, fire, wind, and consciousness dissolve into space. When space dissolves into pure luminosity, the six consciousnesses dissolve into the basis of all, the dharmadhatu. As awareness parts from the inanimate, there is an experience of pure awareness, devoid of phenomena. Separated from the ordinary mind, the great primordial purity of dharmakaya dawns.